And it's Chua, Rivero, Mamuyak, Santos, and De Los Santos, Rivero. Gian. Mamo will get his first basket.
Buena mano, buena mano.
Yeah.
Naman kung Lasal, okay rin yan. But wala pa si Lemeti, di ba? That's another problem. Well, you know.
Oh, look at that. Gray
Okay.
makes it use the glass. Parang wala siyang angulo eh. No?
Parang hindi niya makita.
Short corner.
Oh! Magaling sumaksak ito.
Ah.
Speed dribble papunta kaliwa eh.
Okay.
Yan, tapos aangat yung bola sa kanang kamay. So that's his
Tendency.
offside. Yung una niya.
So, 34-19. Samantalang concerning Ginebra because 30 points plus ban. Baseline hit by Abarrientos. Here's Stuffins.
Oh,
Huli ka. Abarrientos waits for the rest of the gang. Leads into the shot. Trying to get a foul from Mamuyak. Here's Riley. Bang! Oh, what's it called?
yan ang tinawagan ng blocking foul is si Charles yan.
He's up from his seat.
I don't think he'll win the challenge because medyo gumagalaw pa si Taffin dito. Although you can see the left hand of Riley pushing off.
Tyler. Johnson, quick release. Good line. Good line.
Dead din itong import.
Oh, may kamay. Madalas malibre yan eh. Grigsby lost it. Recontrolled it. Here we go. Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it?
Give you an opportunity for a second chance point.
Ito yung breakaway, yung hesitation, and pasla.
At tapos ito.
Naipit, naipit. Naipit ng dalawang defenders. Koo takes it away. Abarrientos crossover against Tyler Teo. Issue to the side. Koo can't elevate.
Nice
Great pass again, but Troy hesitates. Gray.
Pero pangalawang personal foul na ni Troy Rosario.
Jump it with 6 seconds. Pivot move. No. Oh, look at Johnson flying for another rebound.
Kaya gusto nila yun.
Oh.
Rebound na rebound.
6 rebounds. Good drive to the basket by Rivero. 57 seconds remaining in the first half. Mamuyak shakes free. Lob pass to Balunga. Yes.
Yeah.
With a rejection.
May oras pa dito Wala rin foul to give dito ang Phoenix. Saksak.
Ganda ng drive. This guy can fly.
Oh,
Riley Grigsby with a rejection.
may oras pa dito Wala rin foul to give dito ang Phoenix. Saksak.
Ganda ng drive. This guy can fly. Here's Richie Rivero. Stops. Fires.
Sadya pa pumasok.
And a chance. And Phoenix stopping